Hi there, in this video I will show you how to message students from within Canvas. This can be a great option if you are looking to send students some backup materials, or if you're having trouble posting an assignment or would like them to have some accompanying materials that you aren't sure where to put, or just to send a follow-up message with any students to alert them to something. So let's get started. Within Canvas, I'm at my dashboard here. Right down a couple boxes lower is a messaging function. And if I click on that, it will take me to my inbox. I currently have nothing here, but you can see right up here I can compose a new message. If I select that tool, it will allow me to select one of my courses. All of your courses should be listed here. I'm going to use the MGHS PD course that you are all associated with. And then for the two, I can type certain names in if I'd like, or it will allow me to use my contacts for these courses. All of the people within a course are the first option. The second is all of the teachers associated with the course. And the third option is all of the students associated with the course. Then if I have that broken down further into sections, it'll allow that as well. So I'm going to choose students here, and I can just go through and select certain students, or again, I can choose everyone associated with that course. I would then select or create a subject. In this case, it'll be a test email, and it'll finally allow me to send an individual message to each person on the list, or just to send one to the collective group. I can then type in my message to all of the students that I would like to contact. And then I have some file options. One is to just attach a regular attachment. Could be a photograph, or a JPEG or a photo of some sort. Or it could be a file from Google Drive or anywhere else. Another great option is that I can record a video or audio comment here. So this is a great way, especially for those of you who might want to create a performance of some sort, or attach audible reading of something. That would be a nice option as well. I'll then click send. Again, the recording for the media is here, and that allows me to use my mic and my camera to do some media, or I can record something ahead of time and then upload it here. Click send and you're all set. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.